Hi, my name is Natalia Willette, and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And today I'm going to talk to you about how you get possession of property when you've acquired it via tax deed. So, there are many times that you acquire property via tax deed, you have your tax deed, you go to check out your property, you got your locksmith, you're about to go in, and you discover that the property is occupied. And it could be occupied by a tenant, it could be occupied by the prior owner, it could be occupied by a family member of the prior owner, especially if the prior owner is deceased, or it could be occupied by squatters, people that found an empty house that had been laying there for quite a while, and now you need to know how you get possession. So, first thing, the Florida statutes have created a right to the tax deed recipient to immediate possession. That's under Chapter 197.562 of the Florida statutes. And so, what this says is that you, as the tax deed holder, have a superior possessory interest to anybody before you. So, it doesn't matter that they're a tenant, it doesn't matter that they're the prior owner, it doesn't matter if they're a family member of the prior owner, it doesn't matter if they're a squatter. They get treated the exact same way. You are entitled to immediate possession of the property, and their interest got wiped out through the issuance of the tax deed. So, how do you get possession? What do you do? Do you file for an eviction action? Do you file for an unlawful detainer action? And the answer is no, you don't do any of those things. The statute that I just referenced has a specific clause. So you are going to petition for possession after having demanded these people, hey, you need to get out of my property. And they say no. So then you're going to go petition in the circuit court, not the county court, which is where you'd see the unlawful detainers. It's where you'd see the evictions take place. But no, this is the circuit court that has jurisdiction. So the one where you're paying $400 and change in filing fees as opposed to $200 and change in filing fees. But that's where you are designated to file the petition for possession. And you are essentially going to say, hey, I received a tax deed. I am entitled to immediate possession under the statute. I told the people you need to get out because I'm the new owner, and they didn't get out. They refused. And the great thing is that this is also entitled to summary procedure. So after 5 days notice, they are supposed to respond. And if they don't respond within that 5-day period, the judge is supposed to very quickly grant your petition so that you can get a writ of possession issued. And once a writ of possession is issued, you take that to the sheriff serves it, and they have 24 hours to leave before the sheriff forcibly removes them. So that is how you get possession of property acquired via a tax deed. If you have any other questions, you could always call me at 813-480-2106. Email me at natalia@lcolawfl.com. You can visit my website, www.lcolawfl.com. I'd be happy to give you some guidance, and of course there are plenty of videos here to give you an idea of how to resolve your problems when you're a tax deed investor. Good luck out there.